Light, 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 light. So, what is light anyway? Well, the easy answer for that is light is energy. We see it all the time. It's always bouncing off stuff. It's always changing directions. It's always moving and traveling. But you may be asking yourself, how does it move? How does it travel? Why does it travel? Well, in this video, that's what we're going to talk about. This video is all about light. Light is always traveling. It's always bouncing off of things and going in different directions. But why can't we see it if it's always around us and always moving? It's because the things around us actually absorb the light and absorb its path, so we can't see where it's going. But with a mirror, we can see where it's going because it's a reflective surface. So what does that mean, it's a reflective surface? Basically, it means that the mirror is able to bounce the light off onto other objects that absorb it, instead of absorbing the light itself. The mirror absorbs a little bit, but for the most part, it just reflects the light back off of it. When the light comes in, it hits the mirror at an angle, and then it's bounced off instead of absorbed. When it comes in at an angle, it hits the mirror, the reflective surface, and it bounces back off in a different direction at the exact same angle it came in. So it hits the mirror and is reflected back onto something else, like the wall or an object around you. Let's take a look. Here we have a mirror, which is going to reflect the light from this lamp onto the wall. The light is coming from the lamp, specifically the light bulb inside of the lamp. The light is going to travel in a straight line, as light typically does, in a straight line from the light bulb to the mirror that is placed right in front of it. Then the light will bounce off the reflective surface of the mirror at the same angle that it came in back onto another surface, which in this case is going to be the wall. So the light is bouncing off of the mirror and onto the wall. Alyssa, are you looking at me?
Yeah, Shannon.
How? You're under the desk.
Let me tell you how. So we made this periscope in class, and it's made out of cardboard, duct tape, and 2 mirrors. And the way it works is that this bottom mirror will take in what I see from this top mirror. So the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. So what this bottom mirror is capturing is what this top mirror is capturing because they're bouncing off each other. Isn't that cool?
Very cool.